Good morning, this is Mr. Streeter coming to you from the IME 100 Design Studio. We really miss the students. We would be extremely excited to see you here making your coasters, but unfortunately right now that's not a possibility. So today we're going to do a safety video for you for our IME 100 labs. And just a little disclaimer, this is not an all-inclusive safety video. This just kind of applies to different things we would do in the lab. And we will be trying to follow the MyOSHA guidelines. So our first thing we're going to cover is our eye protection, which would be our safety glasses, which I'm wearing. These are my prescription safety glasses, so they have a Z87 rating on them. You could also have some just regular safety glasses that you would put on if you didn't have vision problems like I do, or you could also have some of the over-the-glasses safety glasses, but they all have to have the Z87 rating. It does not matter what type of eye protection you have. Regular eyeglasses do not qualify. A big thing right now, all the news is covering, you've probably seen it if you've had co-op or heard about it. What do we call our safety gear that we wear? Yes, that's right, PPE. So some of the places are required to wear rubber gloves, face shields, Kevlar vest, not Gore-Tex, Tyvek suits. So another thing that we're going to talk about is if you have long hair, we have rotating machinery. We have the Laguna CNC router, we have a drill press, we have saws and hand tools. So if you have long hair, you're going to want to tie that back, get that out of the way. Also, if you have keys or different things dangling around your neck, this is my memory, so I'm not sure if I can remember what I'm going to do next. I just lost my memory. But fortunately, I have some cue cards. So also, if you have, we're going to pretend these are hoodie strings or other things, you can tuck those inside and get those out of the way so that they're not going to dangle down into your moving equipment. Also, if you already have the PPE equipment that we're going to talk about, please bring those to campus with them. Keep them in your go bag so they're with you when you're in lab. Also, if you come to campus and you need this stuff, the C-Store will have eye protection eyeglasses for you, and they should have both the regular type and the over-the-glasses type. In some of your labs, they may require long sleeves or long pants or different types of foot protection. Some of your labs may require goggles. We don't necessarily have to have the goggles, but the safety glasses will work. And a little bit of a joke that we had in the past would be bring your safety flip-flops. How many know that there is no such thing as safety flip-flops? So we really don't want you to wear safety flip-flops into the lab. So we briefly went over some safety stuff, and we're going to have a quiz now. I love giving quizzes. So we're going to quiz on the most important safety tool that you have in your safety toolbox. Is it your ear protection? Is it your long sleeves? Is it losing your memory? Eye protection. Oh, that would be a very important one. It'd be hard to do this, and trust me, I've had things in my eyes. It's not fun getting them out. Oh, right, you got it. I was trying to lead you off track. It's your brain, it's your thinking. If you don't think it's safe, back up and don't do it. So now we're going to have Mr. Richardson step in and do some a little video on hearing protection. Miss you guys. Bye.